Hi, welcome to Pearson Productions media blog. I'm Quincy, and today we're just like trying to re-edit some of our footage, but we still need to film, which we're going to do on Friday. We've made a little schedule. I've just finished using LiveType to redo the titles, like because we want to remain continuity, and it's like one of the criticisms that Miss Carol gave back to us because like some of the titles were different, so we had to like redo that. And Jess has been like continuing with the evaluation of our opening title sequence with her section. We've kind of like divided up what we're gonna do. Like I'm gonna talk about distribution, and yeah, we've all got our own individual pages so that like we can work faster and as a team rather than like all stressing out and trying to do like one thing at the same time, if you know what I mean. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video blog. We'll be updating more soon. And yeah, we can't wait to be able to post our final draft of Seekers. And yeah, we're just having so much fun. Bye.